Welcome grade 6s. Today we're going to learn how to create our name tag using our LaserPly and our Emblaser laser cutters. The first thing you need to do is choose the text tool over here and create your name. Now remember, you can do this for a family member, you can do it for yourself, but it's just important that the font is the right type. So if we really want these thicker sort of fonts. These thinner fonts don't cut out very well. I'm going to use something like this. So I'm going to write Mr. Clark. Okay, you can move that into the middle of your workspace here on Lightburn. We're then going to move back to our move tool and we're going to select the whole thing. We are then going to create an outline around it, which is an offset of the shape. So we click that and we can determine the offset by changing this value here. If we go 10, you can see the offset around here is much bigger. Now this is depending on what you want to do or what look you're going for. I'm going to go for about 8, I think. And then I'm going to go OK. We now have our backing piece and our name. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is choose the circle or ellipse tool here and create our ring holder. So we make a circle that goes slightly over our border, and then we use the offset tool again to create a ring around that. You can see my offset here is rubbing into my name, so we're going to drop that down to a number where it doesn't quite hit, and then we're going to go OK. So now selecting that, holding shift down and selecting all the other items. We need to have the, Control Z will delete that. We need to have the move tool. We're going to select, holding shift down, a number of things here, and we're going to include both the rings and the border, and then we're going to combine them or weld all our shapes together. When we do that, you can see we have a lovely little hole here cut out for our keyring. So we're getting close to being finished. We want to select just our name on the inside, and then we want to move it up and place it just above our outline. That will allow us to cut the outline out and our name out. Okay, and then we're pretty much finished. Okay, you can save this on a USB and then bring it over to the computers and begin your cut. Thanks kids, good luck.